Let's see what's out there today. How pies food. Bam. Wait. Oh, Nope. Nope. Welcome back, OG fam. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the videos. Hopefully you stuck around. If you saw the intro, you know what we're working on today. It's, well, the only thing we got. So this will be part 5, hopefully the last part. But it'll be part 5 in the Hyundai series. So what we're doing is we're taking about a month's worth of grime, nast, right? We're going to wash it. And since it's ceramic coated, I want you to kind of check out and see how the car reacts after a wash. We're going to use Mr. Pink's, remember chemical guys, pink you stink, that stuff. We're using that stuff and we're going to wash it. We're just going to regular foam cannon. I will probably 2-bucket method because I typically do that for the black cars. I typically do it for most cars unless I'm in a super hurry, like, I don't know, say we're trading in an MDX for something new. That'll be on the channel soon. But I want you guys to get a look at just like kind of how nasty dirty this thing is so that we can clean it up. And I want you guys to see just kind of the way it reacts, water reacts, soap reacts with the coating. Now, if you didn't see part 4 where we did the spray coating half and half, that is up. I think it's up here to my left. It'd be your right, up in the card. Check it out. So I'm going to do a quick walk around. I'll show you how dirty it is, and then we'll get started. Alright guys, welcome back. Okay, so we're going to go over what the tools that we're going to use today. Just kind of the basic stuff that we normally use. So let's take a look. Here's what we got. We've got the pressure washer. We've got a rinse bucket. We've got a wheel bucket. We've got a wash bucket and foam cannon. Okay, so one thing I want you guys to take a look at, I want you to look when we start foaming the car, I want you to watch to see how the foam reacts with the paint, and since it's coated, see how it if it starts to remove dirt any easier. So stay tuned. Okay, as you can see, well, first of all, to the keen viewers, you would see that there was a wardrobe change, mainly because there was a stain in the last sweatshirt, so we're getting rid of that. But I just wanted to let you know, okay, so it's sprinkling a little bit, but what we got going on is the wheels and tires are done. Why do we do wheels and tires first, kids? Because they're nasty. That's right. Okay, so let's get the foam cannon on and let's start foaming. Let's check it out. So I might not talk. I might just lower the volume in post, but the car's starting to get a little bit drizzly. It's drizzling outside, but you know, if you lived in Washington and were afraid to wash cars with a little drizzle, you'd be broke. Okay, so we're gonna start foaming. I want you to check it out. All right. Okay, so remember we got Griot's 3-in-1 down the driver's side. We've got John's 360 coatings on the passenger side. And if you checked out episode 4, you would know what I felt was the better one. It looks as though, I mean, I know that the passenger side had a little bit more time. Oh, I missed a corner. I need to get that. But you can see it's running off a little bit better. It's running off a little quicker. Okay, well, Mama's home. So let's get this guy. Touch it up again since we got it and we still have more studs. Okay, now we sprayed it. Now let's take a look. And it's running down pretty well. In all honesty, it kind of looks like normal speed to me. But it does look like it's taking the dirt away quicker. And with it, it's a little hazy, but not terrible, which is why we'll go ahead and get the mitt and musical number of royalty-free YouTube music. I don't know. I have a lot of fun when I pick the music for the time lapses. Let me know in the comments below if you guys even care about the time lapses, if you would rather see the whole process, or if the time lapse is good, or if you really don't care. Just let me know either way. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take a look to see how everything rinses off. But what we're also going to see is we're going to see how well the coating stayed. If all went well, the soap, this shampoo, would not have stripped either coating. So let's see how it beads water on the rinse, and just see how it looks. Okay, initial impressions, I'm a little bit concerned. I'm a little concerned at how flat those panels are at this point. This was the first maintenance wash, so that fender has me really concerned. Again, this was the John's 360 side, so... Dear Griots, I just want to apologize for everything I said in episode 4, at least in part 4, because, yeah, that's fantastic. Yeah. Hold on a sec. Oh, jeez. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a little bit concerned. Let's go again. Again, John's 360 on the left side, on the passenger side, Griot's 3-in-1 on the right side. Yes, I think we can agree that the John's 360 is still sheeting. Kind of. The Griot's, big beads, mostly sheeting. Look at the fender. Okay. Let's go. Yes. Okay. Yes, it's still coated. I get that. That is taking its time to get off the panel. I'm all tangled. I need a swivel for my power washer. If any of you find it in your heart to grab me one, hit me up. Let me know in the comments, send me a message, whatever. Okay. I'm a little disappointed. I'm going to be honest with you. I had so much hope for John's 360. I loved it. I loved the application and the way it went on initially. Although, I don't know, guys. Like, look, it's mostly sheet off, right? Where's that still some beads that are hanging out? It's like 6 1/2 dozen, right? It's super slow to sheet, but most all of it actually comes off. Yes, I need to rinse the rest of the car, I get that. But, whereas you still have some mist, you still have some big beads. Those beads will go away, obviously, when you drive, but the way that the Griot's sheets immediately, but not completely, I don't know, guys. You decide, you choose which you would rather have. Maybe let me rinse the rest of it and we'll blow it dry and we'll see what that looks like. Okay, don't go. This isn't the end. Don't click off. Stay tuned. Okay, now we're going to dry it. We're going to blow it dry. I understand it looks like it's not protected, but then the end result, it does look like it's protected. Okay, I'm just confused. Let's I almost said let's blow it. Let's blow it off. It's getting low, but that was the 3-in-1. Let's look to see. And we're done. Okay, I think we got enough of that to see that I think Grates is the winner. I think it is. Well, hope you guys enjoyed part 5, where I was able to discover which brand I would actually like to continue to use. It wasn't the one I thought it was. So, all right. If you like this video, you know what to do. If you have something to say, you know what to do. We'll see you on the next one.